presenting a pre-owned 2015 Cadillac Escalade. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable O transmission. This Cadillac has less than 93,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.